Namaskaram. Welcome to Shrews Eternity. Today I'll be showing you lightweight, affordable Kanjivarams, all in the price range of 4-5 and it goes up to 6-8. People who would like to buy these sarees, there'll be a link that will be posted in the description. Please click on the link to look at all these sarees. They have a very good flow. It's very lightweight with beautiful buttas all over the body, and we also have plain bodies. So very similar to what I am wearing today. You can also simultaneously log on to www.shrewseternity.com. Under Silk Room, you'll find a tab called Kanjivaram. You can click on the tab to look at all the Kanjivarams that we have in store. Let's get started. First, we have a pink with a purple combination priced at 5680. They have very pretty small borders on either side of the sari, woven small jari borders, and the whole of the body has beautiful leaf jari woven buttas, as you can see. So that's going to be the whole body. Tiny jari border on either sides of the sari, and this has got a peacock pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse. Priced at 5680. Next we have a mustard with a double shaded pink, priced at 4690. So this has got beautiful manga jaryovan buttas in the borders and tiny floral jaryovan buttas all over the body. Very simple and an elegant sari. That's going to be the whole body. Beautiful manga jaryovan buttas, and it's got a double shaded pink color woven pallu and a plain pink color blouse. This is priced at 4690. Next we have a tomato pink with blue combination priced at 4690 again. So this has got a nice tiny jari woven border on either side of the sari with manga buttas in the whole of the body. Very simple and elegant saris. So these are all pure Kanjivarams. Beautiful tomato reddish pink, and it comes with a jari pallu in blue and a plain blue color blouse. This is again priced at 4690. For those who do not want to have big jari borders or not too heavy saris, this is very ideal for you. Next we have an orange with pink combination priced at 7490. Very simple and an elegant sari. So the borders of the sari have jari woven floral buttas, and in the whole body you have tiny floral jari woven buttas, and this comes with a very simple pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse. This is priced at 7490. Next we have a temple design priced at 7980. This is a nice royal blue with beautiful temple patterns in the borders, as you can see. Tiny jari woven floral buttas in the whole of the body, and this comes with a temple design in the pallu and a plain royal blue color blouse. This is priced at 7980. Next we have a red with a mustard priced at 4690. Manga jari woven borders on either sides of the sari. Very pretty floral jari woven buttas all over the body, and it comes with a mustard and a green combination for the borders. Very lightweight, affordable Kanjivarams, and it comes with a mustard color pallu and a self-striped mustard color blouse. Priced at 4690. Next we have a green priced at 4490. So this does not have jari buttas in the whole body, but it comes with a traditional retapet border on either side of the sari. Priced at 4490. It has a contrast pallu, beautiful retapet border in light green and dark green combinations. The borders of the sari have beautiful peacocks in it, and it comes with a contrast double shaded purple color jari pallu and a plain purple color blouse. This is priced at 4490. Next we have a pink with a double shaded orange priced at 4690. This has got temple jari woven borders on either sides, again a retapet border a beautiful dark pink, a magenta pink, and that's going to be the pallu, a double shaded greenish brown color pallu and a plain greenish brown color contrast blouse. Priced at 4690. This is very similar to what I am wearing. A nice blue with a green combination, priced at 4690. So this has got jari woven buttas all over the body. Beautiful green color contrast borders on either sides of the sari with manga buttas. A very pretty double shaded purple color jari woven butta pallu and a double shaded purple color blouse. Priced at 4690. Next we have a blue with green combination, beautiful color combination, priced at 5690. This has got nice huge jari woven floral buttas in the body and a woven border on either sides of the sari. It's a nice MS blue, beautiful color, and that's going to be the pallu. It's got a contrast bottle green color jari woven pallu and a plain bottle green color blouse. Priced at 5690. Next we have a maroon with a red combination, priced at 5990. This has got beautiful floral jari woven border on either side of the sari in red, and the whole of the body has arak maroon color in it with jari woven floral buttas, as you can see. A very pretty color combination. A beautiful mustard color jari pallu and a plain mustard color blouse. This is priced at 5990. I'm showing you samples of the designs that we have, but we've got beautiful color combinations in all the designs that I'm showcasing in the video today. Next we have a blue with a maroon combination, priced at 5990. The borders of the sari have beautiful deer buttas and the whole body has nice jari woven floral buttas in it. A very pretty peacock blue with brown combination. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful reddish orange color jari pallu and a plain reddish orange color blouse. Priced at 5990. All these are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. Next we have a very traditional mustard with black and maroon combination, priced at 4490. The borders of the sari have beautiful annam buttas and the whole body has a self stripe pattern in it. Very traditional sari, beautiful color combination. It's a honey color, to be very precise. That's going to be the whole body, and it's got a black jari pallu and a plain black color blouse. Priced at 4490. Next we have an orangish pink with mustard combination, priced at 4490. Manga buttas in the borders. Beautiful color combination, I would say. Very pretty sari. The peachish pink with orange combination. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful mustardy orange color jari pallu and a plain mustard color blouse. Priced at 4490. Next we have a pink with a purple combination, priced at 4490. Jari woven peacock buttas in the borders. Very pretty sari. An orangish pink color body with purple. Beautiful peacock borders on either sides of the sari. And it's got a purplish color pallu and a plain purple color blouse. Priced at 4490. Combination. Priced at 4690. The whole of the body has beautiful stripes pattern along with tiny jari woven buttas. Again, a very traditional color combination. Very pretty sari. Onion pink with maroon. That's going to be the whole body. Beautiful arakku maroon color jari pallu and a plain maroon color blouse. Priced at 4690. Next we have a blue with a green. Very simple and an elegant sari. That's going to be the pallu and the blouse. Priced at 4490. Next we have an arakku maroon with a double shaded green. Priced at 4490. borders of the sari have beautiful temple designs. Again, that's going to be the whole body. Beautiful arakku with a double shade of green. Very pretty sari. And that's going to be the pallu. It's got a mustard color jari pallu and a plain mustard color blouse. Priced at 4490. Last we have a purple with a double shaded pink, priced at 4490. Manga buttas in the borders. Excellent color combination. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful purple with an orangish pink shade. And that's going to be the pallu. An orangish pink color jari pallu and a plain orangish pink color blouse. I think you have enjoyed today's video. So please stay tuned to our page and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more interesting videos. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.